Good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well this morning. Before I get into this video to tell you what it's all about, I'd like to thank my subscribers. Yes, thank you so much for your support. I see that you are watching the videos and the numbers are going up for our channel. The G&G family has reached almost 800 subscribers. And I'm excited about it. And I want to thank you. And I want you to keep on liking, sharing, and commenting on the videos. I especially love the interaction. And if you hadn't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Come on, join the G&G family. Now, let me tell you what this video is about. I am going today to get my hair retightened. And if you know me, you know that that is exciting to me. Some people have asked me if I am going to now start retightening my own hair now that I'm a Sisterlock trainee. And my answer is no, I will not. Now today I'm going to try to show you the difference in the length of my hair, if any, before and after retightening. So I shampooed my hair last night after braiding and banding. I am going to try to use the same lock each time, in the beginning, before, and after the retightening. So if you notice, I'm using this first lock right here for this section. I'm going to put the tape measure right at my scalp. I'm going to pull my hair down to make sure. So I'm holding on to my hair. I'm going down, down, still going down. Can't really see it, but I can feel it. And I'm still moving down. And now I can see it. And now, I think I'm almost there. It let go. And it let go at about 13 and a half inches. It's like right there, maybe about 13 and a half. So that's on my right side. Now I'm going to this side and I'm going to loosen this one. I'm going to try to make it look like there's a method to this madness. I'm going about the same spot on the other side. I'm going to take my goodie clip and move this out of the way. And I am going to use this one in the front. Okay. I am going to now put the tape measure at my root. I'm going to take my hair, pull it down. In this case, on this side, I can pretty much see it, and you can too. I'm going to keep going down, down, down. There it is. It let go. This one is at 11 inches. There it is. Stop right here. There we go. Now, my theory is that after I get my hair retightened, I see it as a rope. Okay? And if a rope is a certain length, I'm going to show you with this what I'm saying. Okay? Because if you notice my hair, let's look at this one. My theory is based on this. When you're getting your hair retightened, it's like you got this section, then you have another section, and they're tying it using the rotations. Now, this is my way. Now you can see it's getting shorter. And so I think that the growth that we see is in between the retightening. And during the retightening, it takes away some of your length because they're tying it up. Now, that's my theory. Whether it's exactly that way, I don't know, but that's the way I see it in my mind. That's the two sides. We're going to now look at the top, right at the left side of the middle part. Okay. And I'm not going to measure my whole head. I'm just going to include these 3 locks in this experiment of mine. Little And that is, I'm going to say 13 3/4 of an inch right there. All right, so those are the 3 parts, 3 locks that'll be included in the experiment. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down. The next time you see me will be after my retightening, and we'll see what this experiment of mine proves or disproves. Tiffany's Way just finished doing this same thing to her hair, measuring to see, and we both, I think we both agree that it was kind of confusing, but I'm not going to do my whole head. I'm not measuring for my whole head. I just did a length check maybe a little over a month ago. And if you want to see that video to see the length of my hair, because there was a lot of growth from the last time, then I'll put a link to that length check in the cards right above my head. So I will be coming back to you after my retightening. But before I go to that retightening, I want you to take a look at my hair. I want you to see that my grays have still not been respectful. I think that this is just a characteristic of the gray. At some point during the period between retightening, I really don't like that gray area in the top, because the gray just decides that it's just going to stick out, just going to stick up and be frizzy. That's what it decides to do, and I don't like it. But here's the grid. My grid is intact. It's just that wherever there is gray, it's not easily seen, okay? Because it's not a great contrast, a big contrast between the color of my scalp and the color of the gray hair. So there it is. I try to keep my locks separated at the roots because I don't want them to marry, and I don't want a lot of pulling when my retightening done. So here's this side. I got another braid that I need to take out before I can show you that. And I will see you when I get back after my retightening. Okay, I'm just back in here from getting my hair retightened. Now take a look at this hair. What can I say? I love it. I love it. And so I'm going to jump right into doing these measurements and see if it makes a difference. Now I'm going to use this one. Is it the same one? I don't think so. But anyway, because I think it's maybe, it could be this one. But of course, I'm not sure. So I'm going to measure it anyway. And we're going to put it here. And just drag right on down. And see if there's a significant difference in before. Okay? Alright, so here's my thing at the root. I didn't get to the end yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. There it is. And so on my left side, it's 12. That's 1 foot. Right there where it's red. Because the 12 isn't there. That's why I said half. But if you look, that's 13. And that says 1 foot. Now I'm going to the other side. Let's see how nice this hair looks, right? Can't nobody tell me nothing. So don't even try. So we're going to grab this one. Now, since I don't remember the measurements from the before, guess what? I'm going to have to stop this video, go back, look at my measurements from the before, and then come to a conclusion. Okay, so this one stopped at 13. That's where we stopped, 13 inches. Now I'm going to the middle front. Okay, and I said I got it on this side. So more than likely, this is exactly the same one we used before. Okay, and I say we because you were with me. That's where it popped. And this is right at 14 inches. Now, I have to take a look at the previous video to come to a conclusion about my theory. Okay. I'm okay. But I realized that as a result of my experiment, my theory was wrong. It was wrong. My hair was not shorter after my retightening. Maybe because it was stretched. I'm not going to try to even come up with a reason why my theory was wrong. It was just wrong. And I have learned to admit when I am wrong. I was wrong. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He has been so good to me. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.